Hey everyone, welcome back. For today's vlog, I want to talk about something that can either strengthen a relationship or slowly destroy it. It's communication. Because no matter how much love, care, or friendship there is, if there's no communication, misunderstandings can take over. I've learned that one of the hardest things to deal with in any relationship, whether friendship, family, or romantic, is when communication suddenly stops. Yung tipong may problema na, pero walang gusto magsalita. Instead of talking things through, silence takes over. And when there is silence, our minds begin to create stories. As an overthinker, I know how powerful misunderstandings can be. Minsan, isang maliit na bagay lang, pero dahil walang malinaw na pag-uusap, lumalaki sa isip natin. May nagawa ba akong mali? Galit ba siya sa akin? Ayaw na ba niya sa akin? One of the most painful forms of communication is no communication at all. The silent treatment can leave a person confused, anxious, and emotionally drained. And sometimes the lack of explanation hurts more than the problem itself. But here's what I've learned. Healthy communication is not about always agreeing. It's about being willing to listen, understand, and express your feelings honestly. It means saying, "This is how I feel. Help me understand. How can we work through this together?" Naalala ko tuloy yung kantang ito.
Listen to your heart when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do.
Okay, sometimes before we speak, we need to listen to our heart and to each other. Here are some lessons I want to share. 1. Don't assume. Ask questions instead of creating stories in your mind. Second, silence doesn't solve everything. Sometimes talking is the bravest thing you can do. Third, listen to understand, not to respond. Real communication requires empathy. And lastly, 4, speak with honesty and respect. Truth is easier to accept when delivered with kindness. So if you're dealing with misunderstandings right now, I encourage you to communicate. Speak your truth calmly. Listen with an open heart. And remember, many relationships can be saved when two people are willing to talk. Communication is not just about words. It's about connection. And when people are willing to communicate, healing becomes possible. So, don't let silence create distance. Talk. Listen. Understand. Because sometimes, one honest conversation can change everything. Dahan-dahan lang. Aayos din ang lahat. Di ka nag-iisa. See you on my next vlog.